Hello mga kabisig, hello mga kasikat. My name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Rocketer ng Masa at ang DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa din. Andito kami ngayon ni Kuya Ethan sa North Avenue, sa Sky Dome na kung saan maghahanap kami ng mga models na pwede namin kausapin ngayong araw. And mga kasikat, please don't forget to follow and like and share our social media account, Afternoon Drive, Kiss and Teen Show, Euro TV Philippines, of course, ang Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting. Ethan!
Hello mga kasikat and mga kabisig. My name is Mikel Ethan from Kids and Teens Show at Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Welcome to Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve. My name is Mikel Ethan from Why Fit In When You Were Born to Stand Out.
Alright, so eto naman mga kasikat, tara na at hanapin natin kung sino ang spotlight natin ngayong araw. Dream, Believe, and Achieve.
Hello mga kasikat and mga kabisig. Welcome back to Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve. My name is Mikel Ethan from Kids and Teens Show at Euro TV Philippines Entertainment.
And ako naman po mga kasikat, mga kabisig, my name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Rocketer ng Masa at ang DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa din. Welcome sa Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve. Napapanood po kami sa Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting, of course, sa Afternoon Drive, Kids and Teen Show, and Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Every Wednesday po, huwag yung kakalimutan, 2:30 until 4 p.m. po sa Afternoon Drive. Ayan, live at Euro TV Philippines, Pinoy XM Channel, Signal 106, Sky Cable 217. And for today's video po mga kasikat, kasama namin ang mga nagagandahang dilag ngayong araw from Davao City, if I don't mind. Ayan, so bago ang lahat, magpakilala ka muna, ate.
My name is Princess. I'm 5 years old. I'm 5 years old. I live Davao City.
Davao City. Ikaw naman, ate girl.
My name is Precious Zoe and Langbit. I am 10 years old and I live in Davao City. My name is Ava Catherine Pistoria, 9 years old and I live Davao City.
Wow, ang gaganda nyo ngayon. Lahat ba kayo is magkakasama lang sa isang lugar? Oh, so kayo mga co-models kayo, kayong tatlo. Ayan. So kayo ba ay mga magka-classmate or magkakilala lang?
Kilala lang.
Magkakilala lang. Ikaw?
Kilala.
Ikaw po? Yes or no? Yes. Mukhang kinakabahan sila. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kami lang to ni Kuya Ethan from Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. This is your first time for interview?
Yes.
Yes. How about you, Mom?
Yes.
First time. Kaya Ethan, alam mo na yung gagawin mo sa mga tanungan natin. How do we communicate with you po? English or Tagalog?
English.
Oh, Ethan.
Okay.
Okay ba sa'yo yun?
Madam,
How about, yes, how about you?
Tagalog.
Tagalog. So, English and how about you po?
English.
English. So, kaya pala hindi ako masyad na naiintindihan kasi nagtatagalog tayo ngayong araw. But anyway, ayan, bumati ka muna sa mga viewers natin. Do you have any greetings? Yes, sino ang mga gustong batiin? Friends, relatives, or families? Shout out? Shout out to your father na lang daw po. Okay, ikaw naman po. May gusto ka bang batiin? Do you have any greetings to your friends, relatives, and families?
Yes po. Hello, if you're watching this, I really miss you and I want to go back home.
Na-miss mo na ang Davao?
Yes po.
Bisaya mo jud ko, oy. Ikaw naman po, ma'am.
Hi po sa mga sumusuporta po sa akin. Lalo na po yung mga kaibigan ko po, tsaka yung mga classmate ko po, at pati na din po yung mga pamilya ko.
Wow. How old are you na po?
5,
5 years old. Ikaw?
10 years,
10.
9.
9 years old. Ethan, do you have any questions to our ladies?
Okay, what is your favorite color?
Sino mauna sa inyo? Ikaw muna.
Pink.
Why pink?
Because I like this. Kasi po, lahat po ng classmate ko gusto po ng pink.
All her classmates, she loves pink daw. And how about you, ate?
I like purple.
Purple. Oy, pareho tayo, purple. Naka-black lang ako ngayon. Ikaw naman po, what is your favorite color and why?
I love pink.
Pink din. Same sila ni ate girl. So anyway, gaano nyo pinaghandaan itong fashion trends at kumusta naman ang pakiramdam?
Okay lang po. Sobrang improvement ko po.
Hindi ka naman kinakabahan. Ikaw naman ate girl.
I feel like it's kind of like I'm very excited for it, and I feel like I have improved a lot in my modeling, and I'm so happy and proud of myself for it.
Wow, ang galing. Ikaw naman, kumusta ang pakiramdam?
I'm art
How do you feel?
good.
It's good. Ang hirap talaga pag on the spot interview, mga kasikat. No? Actually, sa Davao, may kakilala ko dyan. I think parang ka-model nyo, if I don't mind. I would like to shout out kay Brielle Damicog. Happy viewing po. Ayan. Do you know her, Ate Brielle?
Yes, I do.
Yes, one of my friend and one of my talent here in Manila. So last years, siya yung in-sponsoran ko at fashion trends din bago ko kayo nakilala dito. Alright, Ethan, do you have any questions?
For my next question is that, what do you like to mostly eat? What is your favorite food and why?
Yeah, so what is your favorite food daw? And bakit yun ang napili mong pagkain?
I like egg because it's very fruit. Abi ko food.
Food. What is your favorite food?
Food. Egg kasi it's very nutritious and makes my body look slim.
Yes, kaya palang sexy po today, di ba? So you are in diet also.
Yes po.
Wow. How about you, ate? What is your favorite food? And why?
Hot dog po kasi paborito po namin ito. Kasi yung kuya ko po mahilig din sa
Hot dog. How about you? What is your favorite food?
broccoli.
Broccoli! Wow, ang yaman naman ni ate. Di ba pang mayaman yung tita, yung broccoli? Kasi sa amin, kasi pang mahirap yung broccoli sa amin. Bagoong lang ang kinakain namin sa bahay. Social si ate ha, broccoli. So, masarap ang broccoli? Yes. Mayaman ba si na ate?
Yeah.
Sobrang. Uy, pupunta kami doon sa Davao ha. Baka makapasyal kami sa Davao. Oo. Someday makarating kami doon. Matagal ko nang gustong pumunta ng Davao, lalo na pag may mga event doon. Actually, kinokontak ko si Mami Rowena. Sana makapunta kami dyan. Ethan, any questions?
My next question is that, do you three have best friends?
Yeah. Do you have 3 best friends and who are they? Who is your best friend? Do you have best friend? Friends?
Mika.
Si Mika, right? Mika? Sino pa?
Siya.
Atasha and? Sino pa? Hindi niya si mga friends niya. Kinakabahan na taga sa ate girl. Okay lang yan, magkakabahan. Ikaw, sino mga 3 best friends mo?
Si Ava, Althea, and si Princess.
Yes, how about you?
Si Zoe po, tsaka si Althea, tsaka si Princess.
Alam mo, Ethan, si ate, what's your name nga po ulit?
Ava po.
Ava? Yes. Si Ava looks like Isabel Granada. Tama, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang ganda niya ngayon. Parang, pwede siyang pangmayaman, pangmahirap sa mga role pag nag-acting, di ba? You look so beautiful, ate. You look like Isabel Granada. Yung nga lang, RIP po. Ayan, so do you have any questions po?
Okay. For my next question is, what is your favorite animal?
Favorite animal and why?
I like cats because they are fierce and they actually suit my personality and look.
Wow. How about you?
Dog po.
Dog. Why dogs?
Kasi po, minsan po natututo po ako. Kasi po, sumusunod po sila minsan.
Ikaw naman ate, what is your favorite animals?
Dog.
Dog. Bakit dog? Why dog? Dahil tumatahol, aw, ganyan. Alright. Kinakabahan talaga siya. Anyway, okay lang yan kasi live naman tayo napapanood sa Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting and sana someday magkita-kita po tayo ulit dito. Okay, last question ko sa inyo. Ano ang gusto nyo paglaki nyo? Anong gusto mo paglaki mo? Ano ba sa English yun, Ethan? What is your ambition?
What is your dream?
What is your dream in your life? To become what? Po? What is your model? Models. You want to become a model someday. How about you?
I want to become a doctor and a model because modeling is my passion and becoming a doctor is my dream as a kid because I want to help sick people.
Oh, I like you. You're so brainy. Diba? Yung mga sagutan niya pang Miss Universe na kaagad.
Yes.
Sinong inspiration mo?
Miss Catriona Gray.
Catriona Gray. Wow. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, sa edad mong yan, feeling ko mararating mo yung mga pinapangarap mo maging isang international model. How about you, ate?
Flight attendant po at saka supermodel.
Flight attendant and supermodel. Bakit flight attendant?
Kasi po nakikita ko po yung mga flight attendant po, ang gaganda po nila.
Wow, ang gaganda nila. Alright, Ethan, bago tayo magpaalam, syempre, isang mensahe muna para sa mga guests natin. Baby girl, what is your message to your mom, to your family, to your friends? Do you have any message?
Thank you.
Thank you so much in behalf of myself. Alright, how about you, baby girl? Do you have any message to your mom, family, friends, and many more?
Thank you for supporting me through my hard times and through my problems. Thank you so much. I love you, everyone. Salamat po sa sumusuporta po sa akin, lalo na po yung pamilya ko. Pag may contest po ako, sinasamahan po nila po ako. And pag may problema din po ako, tinutulungan po nila ako.
Yes, so do you have any social media account like Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok account to promote? Ikaw, do you have social media account, Facebook? What is Facebook account? Jackie's Modeling Academy. Ayan, follow niyo po ang kanyang social media account. And how about you?
No, but you can follow the La Eleganza de Modelo. Ngayon po. Precious.
Paki-follow po ang kanyang mga social media account, mga kasikat, and maraming thank you sa mga oras na binigyan mo kami ng pagkakataon na makausap namin kayo. Mabuhay po ang mga taga Davao. Ethan?
Okay. Thank you so much po mga kasikat and mga kabisig. Please follow, like, share the Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting and Euro TV Philippines Entertainment and Kids and Teens Show on our social media. And please follow my social media account, which is Mikel Diety and Mikel Diety TV channel. Thank you so much for watching Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve. Till next episode, mga kasikat and mga kabisig.
Alright, until next episode po mga kabisig, mga kasikat. My name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Racketeer ng Masa at ang DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa din. Don't forget to follow our social media account, DJ Alvin, caps lock po yan. And Afternoon Drive, of course, Kids and Teen Show at ang Euro TV Philippines. Maraming thank you. Bye-bye everyone. This is Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve.
Hello mga